Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we dive into the Black Shark 3 Pro Magnetic Phone Cooler. Stay with us for all the product details. Let's get started. Pros: rapid cooling performance. The Black Shark 3 Pro offers impressive cooling, dropping temperatures by up to 35 degrees in just 30 seconds. Its 20W high-power cooling system ensures that your device remains cool during intense gaming sessions. Expanded cooling area. Thanks to the high-frame Big Devil feature, the cooling area is expanded by 107%, providing efficient heat dissipation across a larger surface. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience without overheating issues. Advanced refrigeration chip. The exclusive customized ultra-high-density refrigeration chip significantly boosts cooling capacity. With an increase of 50% in crystal grains and 100% in power, the device maintains optimal performance even under heavy usage. Secure magnetic attachment. The ring-shaped strong magnetic adsorption ensures a tight and secure fit, enhancing the cooling speed and connection stability. This design also eliminates the need for clips, making the cooler easy to attach and detach. Intelligent temperature control. Equipped with dual NTC over-temperature protection, the cooler intelligently manages the temperature, automatically shutting off when it exceeds safe levels. This feature not only prolongs the life of the cooler, but also protects your device. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Weighing only 73 grams, the Black Shark 3 Pro is lightweight and reduces strain on your wrists. Its sleek, ultra-magnet design and metal anodic oxidation process add a premium feel and aesthetic appeal. Cons: compatibility limitations. While designed for popular models like the Red Magic 8S Pro, iPhone 15, and Samsung devices, it might not fit all phone models perfectly. Ensure compatibility with your device before purchasing. Magnetic attachment concerns. The magnetic attachment system, although convenient, might not be as secure on all devices, especially those with non-metallic backs or cases that interfere with the magnetic connection. Power source dependency. The cooler requires a constant power source to function, which could be inconvenient for users on the go. Ensure you have a power bank or access to power outlets during extended gaming sessions. The Black Shark 3 Pro Magnetic Phone Cooler is a remarkable accessory for avid mobile gamers seeking to enhance their gaming experience with effective and rapid cooling. Its advanced features, lightweight design, and intelligent temperature control make it a standout choice. However, potential buyers should consider compatibility, attachment security, and power requirements before making a purchase. Upgrade your gaming setup with the Black Shark Magnetic Phone Cooler 3 Pro and experience where speed meets style for the ultimate gaming adventure. Check the price link in the description.